Oh God, what's
For the
this?
following counties,
Winter storm
District
warning?
of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, and Prince George's, and the following counties in
Winter
Virginia,
storm warning?
Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Culpeper, Eastern Loudon, Fairfax, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Rappahannock and Southern Fauquier. Ice storm warning in effect until 7
Ice storm
a.m. Sunday.
warning!
2 to 3 tenths of an inch of sleet and freezing rain causing significant icing impacts. The areas affected include
Well, ice
weather
storm!
conditions are expected until 7 a.m. Sunday. Impacts, difficult travel conditions. Additional details, roadways are becoming very icy and dangerous. Avoid all unnecessary travel. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight. Steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.